Yes. So today we're going to be looking at how to execute your Java program that implements jdbc. Like it connects to the data. Yeah. So how to execute that type, like how to import the driver into the class path, how to execute it. Command prompt of your database. And why are we doing this? This just make sure that the database is properly working and the connection is successful. As you can see, it is. Like sometimes the database wouldn't be running when we execute the will get error. So this is just to make sure that database is properly. If you get some error like I think TNS error, that means your database is currently not running. Just go to your services, find the service of your database. For MySQL, it will be MySQL 80, which is currently shut down. I'm using Oracle database for Oracle services. Yes, this should be running. Your database service should be running. If you are using MySQL, your MySQL 80 should be running. Here, MySQL 80 is running. But mine is already running, so there's no need to mess. If yours is not running, just try to start. Just click that; it will start the database. So now let's create a new table. Already Yes, I already have the table and I inserted some data into it. So what you need to do is create the table student. Uh, I'll provide the link to this site in the video description. You can just copy the commands from here. This will be used to create the student table. These four commands are just for inserting the data. You can insert the data using this command. Uh, as I was saying, you can insert the data using these commands. After inserting the data, just visit your database that know that sorry that we know database is perfectly working and fine. Let's head over to Eclipse. In Eclipse, create a new Java project. Let's name this jdbc. Let's click finish. Now inside the jdbc, click on the source folder and click new. Let's just first add the let me first add the class. After that, we'll add the package. We'll add the driver. Let me name it. I'll be naming the class main. Inside the main class, I've included a sample program here. Let me just copy it. So when you're executing, this is for Oracle database. The sample program is for it is loading the Oracle driver. For MySQL, you need to load the MySQL driver. Also change the username and password here and here. Please, that is important. Don't forget to change the username and password in the program. So what this program does is it will connect to the database and execute this SQL statement for the student, which will then print out all the details in the student table. Now let me just save this file. Now if I try to run this file, we have not added jdbc driver to the class path, getting this error. Class not accepted. So what we need to do is right click and go to build path. In build path, select configure build path. Go to library. Yes, I forgot to mention. Download the drivers appropriate to your database. I have the original register right here. You just click it, start the down. I'll update the article to include MySQL drivers as well. Just click on it. It will just download download the OJDBC driver. So after you downloaded the driver, come back to the build path, click on class path and select add external jars. In the file manager, browse for the driver that you downloaded, select the driver and click open. As you can see, the driver is now listed in the class. Let's apply and close. You apply it. Now we can see the new referenced library section here. I just click on that. You can see the OJDBC driver. Now let me run this code. As you can see, the code has queried the database for the detail and it is displaying the detail. Now I have done this process on a new project, but you already have a project. It's just very easy to add the driver to your project. Do it. Just right click on the source, build path, configure build path. Configure build path, click on library class path, add external jars. You can use this to add the jar file to your program and you can just execute. Then you won't get this one exception. Okay, I think that's it for the video. I'll link to the right in the description and just improve this article. Okay. Thank you for watching.